So it's been a bit of a break, and that's because, well, first of all, uni is actually hard, believe it or not, and also I ran out of wire. You saw that massive clump, all of that, every bit has been used, and then alongside that I've used the whole roll I did. So you may recognize where we are. I've just brought two more, the thickest stuff they've got. Like, oh my god, this wire man, he will not stand. No matter what I do, no matter how I do it, this guy doesn't want to stand up. So, wish me luck, I guess. Update. He is somewhat standing. I'm going insane. I look like I'm about to be in a horror movie. I'm in the vents, and he's there. Do you hear? Do you hear? Do you hear that? That creaking and cracking. I see the truth, and now he's mine. But I'm not evil or possessed or haunted. Anyway, so this is the wireman. If I just let him go, I'd consider that progress because the legs somewhat stayed in place. I bet I can make him stand. Hang on. I got you. You're so low. Come on. No, on your knees. Come on, come on. Wait. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You take 5 steps away. No, don't fumble, don't fumble. Come on, man. You got this. Get off me. Come do it. You can do this. You can do the stand. Stand, please. Why won't you stand? Come on, please. No. No, I've got things to do today. Okay, where do I stand you in? Is it just fine? Hang on. You're upside down. So that's the best I can get him. That's actually really creepy because he's now just on the wall. But putting you on my door handle, I think if I just hold one limb. Nope. Okay, you can't see, but his legs have. I'll show you. His legs have just given way. Okay. So, let me reattach him to the wall. Let me just put you. Shockingly works. So I brought two, because I've almost gone through both of them. I've left a little bit left over so I can actually make him some hands. Because, oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I've now got a deadline. It's currently Monday. I've got this thing called Production Week, where we're filming. And I have till Thursday to get this done, which means I've got tomorrow, Wednesday, and then, you know, then I'm filming. Oh man, I can't even get this thread out. So, what is the next steps, you may ask? My idea is one that probably won't work, but, well no, actually, this is the most basic idea, which I could have and should have probably done from day one. And that is to have the legs not movable. Well, there'll still be some movability, but if I get something metal and put it in the joints where it is having the faults, I'm pretty much making like a redone exoskeleton of the whole thing. Well, not the whole thing, just of that bit. Then I don't know why I put it in my mouth, that didn't work. Then it should hopefully, I don't know, work. And if not, we keep going. I was gonna say I'd give up, but you know, there's got to be some way. It's not like, you know, not like I'm, you know, inventing an atom bomb or something. All I'm doing is trying to make some wire stand up. Eventually there will be a point where I've got enough wire. The real question isn't can I, it's do I have the funds. Now, to answer that question, do I have the funds? No, I'm not going to pretend I do. But I've got this lovely little thing of, I'm now on this project. So, you know, I want to see a result. So, push comes to shove. Oh, I'm living off like £2 noodles for the next week. Not like £2 noodles. I'm buying like the cheapest pack of noodles I can, and I'm eating. So yeah, if we come back down here, my new idea is at the joints here and here, I put a bit of metal, because these I do believe they're the bits which are kind of flimsy. These bits quite secure. This bit maybe not. Maybe put something in the core as well. This bit should be good, I don't know. And something with the hips as well has got to do it. Maybe if I triangle that up, wrap it around, keep it all in place. Long and short of what you should be taking from this is projects are hard, and sometimes you fail and fail some more, and you don't quite know what you're doing, and then you keep failing, and then you'll never guess what happens next. You keep failing because you don't know what you're doing. But that's the really fun thing about projects. You've failed so many times that when you have finally finished, that's awesome. That's so fun. So yeah, I'm ready. I'm excited. Just gonna keep working until eventually be done. I also have to grab some more fishing wire. So, to-do list for the next video, because this video is going to be, unfortunately, wire some more. Next video, I'm going to try to find that thick stuff again, because that was very good stuff. I don't know. I'm going to figure something out. Because there's got to be something I can do. The top half seems mostly fine. I think I need to support the spine a bit more. But other than that, it should be fine. Another big thing is, I've got to make sure that the weight to strength ratio is good. So it's all well and good me adding more wire. It'll make it more stiff. But also make it stronger, which means there's more weight, which means it's got to hold up more. So I've got to make sure it's, you know, not too heavy. Also, that's really kind of ominous. I had the mask on it earlier, which was really freaky, but yeah. I will get this done.